That'll keep you alert.
Dude, my blood is like...
This is my 2020 Toyota Supra. It has a full race exhaust. It is tuned via Ecutech and it is running on ethanol E50. So today is going to be the first day that my brother-in-law JB drives the Supra. Now he is a die-hard truck guy. He's all about diesels and he definitely doesn't like the tuner car world. Here he is, die-hard Powerstroke guy. You ready?
Ready, born ready.
Born ready.
This truck, not so much.
Why?
What would happen over on my left side?
Yeah, I'd say we gotta do a little bit more trimming. Just a little bit. All right, park this rig. Oh yeah. What'd you do?
That's pretty bad.
All right, buddy. All right, pal. So what we're doing is we're gonna flash a nice, crispy new, hot tune on here for you. Maybe if I get the camera to focus. And she's gonna be a ripper. So you ready? All right, tuning is complete. We got the hot, super hot drag tune on. He's gonna lower the seat to the ground.
Tight, tight.
Oh, you got it. All right, you know how to get it in gear? Yeah. Still in park. Oh, you got it. You ready?
Stuffed in here.
You look ready.
I'm in.
First impressions, go.
Agile. Like I feel like you can launch this off here.
Oh, just air it straight off the hill.
Oh, it did it a little bit. It gives a lot. Does 100 like that. Just like literally on the gas a little bigger than 90.
Here, we'll do this. Now run your paddles. That's downshift, upshift.
How far do you ride it?
All the way to the red.
Red?
Uh-huh.
Holy shit, you can't do it. You're doing 100 already. You can't do it.
Dude, why would he do that?
Why?
That'll keep you alert.
Dude, my blood is like, holy shit.
White snow, red sky, reach up for so high. Blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight. Cold feet, dark rain.
All right, first hour of driving. We drive about an hour, which is a pretty solid test ride, highway driving. I guess that's not too solid. We were on the highway. We had to make a quick pit stop for some new gear. Be right behind you. All right, so we lost a smidge of light. Look at that sky out there. It's crazy. The camera actually picks it up pretty good. So you got to give her some pepper. You got to give her the sauce.
The sauce?
Sauce.
What do you mean sauce?
Like full hammer it.
That's a little scary. Hammer?
Hammer down.
Send it.
Send it.
Oh, Billy. Just let off and go.
Yep.
Oh, Billy. Shit balls.
All right, you go easy. I don't even know how fast we were going, but it's a rip. And that's traction control on, so it limits it. You know, when you start spinning, it shuts her down.
That'll get your heart pumping.
I think everything in here is now in the back.
Wow, shit. Just squats and eats. Wow. A little faster than the trucks.
Yeah, a little faster than the truck. Just a smidge, you know. It's a fun ride. It's a super fun ride.
It's definitely fun.
These cars are pretty underestimated.
Yeah. That they are.
But you have time to slow down. You don't have to like cook the brakes. You know what I mean?
Like up there?
Yeah. You have room. But like do what you did, like first through third, like full throttle, and then, you know, let off and slow down gradually. Oh my God, that is absolutely insane loud outside. Wow. I had no idea it was that loud out here. That is crazy. Oh my God. Dude, it is so loud out here.
Rippage. We better roll.
Rippage.
We better roll.
We got a rattle, so I still haven't fixed the rattle on the exhaust yet. All right, I'm getting in. All right, we safely made it back to the HQ. Oh, I should have started my truck. It's actually chilly tonight. That's crazy. All right, so real deal car. You getting? What kind of car are you getting?
Not that. It's too small for me. Big boy.
He always kind of talked a little smack on the car, but is it that? I mean, it's quick.
It's fast. You're looking up there.
It's definitely quick.
It's quick.
It's fun.
It's fun. It's definitely fun.
The car gets like a ton of flack. Like it's a love-hate relationship with the new Toyota Supra. A lot of people say it's BMW. Obviously, it's BMW. We all know that by now. I think I watched the video, and I think like the only thing that's Toyota are the badges and the rear hatch lid, whatever you want to call it. Everything else, pretty much BMW.
Who cares if it's BMW or Toyota?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. The car could be whatever it's called. It's just a fun car.
Yeah.
So I've been doing a lot with the car, and I haven't really been posting the videos because honestly, it doesn't do well on YouTube. That doesn't do good. But it's a super fun car, and we'll talk more on that later. But all right, there you go. Diesel Guy's first impression of the Supra. Agile. There you go.
Quick
Agile.
power.
Agile, quick power.
fun.
It's fun.
A lot of fun.
So there you go, guys. If you know anyone that has one of these cars, go take it for a test drive. And especially if it's stock, tell them to get an exhaust, tell them to get a tune, and you know, you're talking some serious fun. But
Diesels.
They're running outside. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think of the A90 Supra, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.